Dear students, today in lecture number 28, we are going to discuss the literary term entitled caricature. Dear students, in the previous lectures, we have very well discussed about the literary terms like bathos, allegory, satire, and so on. And this way, the same term, even I have given you the literary terms material to you through the WhatsApp also. And again, after this lecture, I will send this term caricature through your link or on your link. My dear students, when you think about the term caricature, you will come to know that what is meant by caricature. Caricature, you have seen that how the cartoons or cartoon makers or painters make these sketches which seem like the cartoons but which are informative, which are suggestive, which are, we can say, innovative. So just I will, in a short point of time or in the short time, I will discuss with you the term entitled caricature. Dear students, the term caricature is derived from the Italian caricare. You might have seen that most of the literary terms, genres, or literary word are borrowed from, taken from the Italian. So Italian words are, or beginning of Italian vocabulary is the previous one. They are innovated, invented the terms. So the term caricature is derived from the Italian caricare, which means to charge or load. To charge or load means full with information, what we say. An early definition of caricature occurs in the English Dr. Thomas Brown's Christian Morals. Thomas Brown's Christian Morals, this text, which published in 1716, highly focused on the literary term caricature. So, dear students, in short, I will tell you caricature means to charge or load. One. Secondly, this term is very well used in the literary piece by Thomas Brown entitled Christian Morals, which is published after his death in 1716, which also very well highlights on this term caricature. So again I will tell you, when men's faces are drawn with resemblance to some other animals, the Italian call it to be drawn in caricature. Means suppose any man's nature is drawn or shown in the picture, like taking the support of any animal, we will come to know that this picture is loaded with full with so and so information, and the man, his nature is like so and so animal, means that animal's nature means the nature of the man. So picture is most of the time full with load or loaded information. So my dear students, so animal's face which drawn with resembles to show like some other animals, it means drawn in caricature, means the caricature मध्ये आलेला आहे असं समजायचं. Thus the word caricature essentially means, caricature means a loaded portrait, loaded picture, loaded information, or loaded that caricature, drawn in caricature. So the caricature essentially means a loaded portrait which gives information. When we look at that picture, we'll come to know that so and so nature, so and so information, so and so advice, decision, information, suggestion that picture gives. So caricature means loaded portrait. Until the mid 19th century, it was commonly and mistakenly believed that the term is shared the same root as the French caricature, like owing to Persian straight using cured meats in their satirical portrayal of public figures. In most of the time, the public pictures are also most of the time are used as loaded portrait, and they give the information which the writer, which the caricaturist or which the painter want to give to the public. So the loaded portrait means full with information. A representation, we say, a representation, especially pictorial or literary, means literary pieces or any pictures that which represent, in which the subject's distinctive features or peculiarities are deliberately exaggerated to produce a comic or grotesque effect. For example, the representation of the loaded portrait or the pictorial or a literary piece which show the subject distinctive features, म्हणजे वेगळे फीचर्स दाखवते ते. वे मीन्स इट्स पेक्युलॅरिटीज म्हणजे वेगळेपणा. अँड यू हॅव टू जस्ट कलेक्ट द इन्फॉर्मेशन व्हॉट दे वॉन्ट टू सजेस्ट थ्रू द पिक्चर. A picture, description, imitation of a person in which certain striking characteristics are exaggerated in order to create a comic or grotesque effect. Means comic or grotesque म्हणजे अशा पद्धतीने एखादं पिक्चर, एखादी माहिती, एखाद्या लोकांच्या वेगळ्या नेचरचं अनुकरण केलं जातं की वेन एव्हर यू लुक ॲट दॅट पिक्चर, लुक ॲट दॅट डिस्क्रिप्शन, लुक ॲट दॅट इमिटेशन of a person which shows some certain striking features of the man, they will definitely make you laugh, make you satire on that. So such caricature means loaded information about that person's certain characteristics, and when you look at that, you will get the information. Sometimes you will laugh at it, sometimes you will be came to know that this man represents so and so. So a picture description are indecorously exaggerating the peculiarities or order facts of a person or things. म्हणजे एखाद्या वस्तूचं, पर्सनचं काय करतात ते एक्झॅजरेशन म्हणजे अतिशयोक्ती, exaggerative tone, they represent each and everything of that person, about that picture, about whom it highlights. They will totally discuss in detail, and sometimes you laugh by getting the information, sometimes you laugh by observing the picture, or sometimes you become ridiculous, you express your satire by looking the distinctive features of that person. So the caricature means the art of process of producing such pictures or descriptions which gives the information about that person, things, object. It also means any imitation or copy so distort or inferior as to be ludicrous. Means this is about the information, the imitation of the man's face, the picture, or anything else. So the art of process of producing such pictures, loading pictures, informative pictures which gives you certain information. So my dear friends, the art of making a drawing or written or spoken description of someone that usually makes them look silly, by making portrait of their appearances or character more noticeable than it really is. Means it makes more information, it gives more person. It's the art of making that picture, drawing the picture, making some remarks or spoken description of someone that definitely makes you look silly. Means about whom we make it that person look silly by making part of their appearances, how it looks, by showing the we can say the heavy face, thin legs or thin hands, or heavy stomach. By such examples, we came to know that such appearances makes that man the silly one. So, my dear friends, with this little bit information about the term caricature, you came to know that the term is from Italian caricature one. This term is used in Thomas Brown's Christiania Morals in 1716. It is also means the expose of some self, एखाद्याचं कॅरेक्टर एक्सपोज करणे, and it means by showing the pictures, images, information, by using or adding the pictures of animals to the main, माणसांना प्राण्याचे चेहरे लावून, it calls as the Italian loaded portrait. So such word caricatures means loaded portraits of the man and about the man and about his personality which it highlights. So caricature loaded portrait means loaded information about one's nature, personality, features, work, creed, and so on. So such a representation of that loaded picture person definitely gives some distinctive features of his personality to the public in general or to someone in particular. So, such a representation of such pictures, of such literary information, of such distinctive characteristics of one's personality definitely makes the people laugh at them. When you look at such distinctive characteristics of that person through the picture, you will definitely laugh, or none could stop you from laughing. So, such a description of that personality is used through the pictures. So, caricature means, in short, the process of producing such pictures, descriptions which are distinctive, वेगळे असतील ते. It also means imitation of some personality which shows such comic results or such inferior subjects it handles. So, my dear friends, in short, it is art of making, it is art of drawing the pictures, making or drawing the picture of someone's personality which is abusive, which is comic, or which makes us laugh when we go through their nature's characteristics and their some hidden we can say the teachers. So the art of making a drawing or written or spoken description is very well used or shown through the term caricature. And it when you go through that picture or when you look at that picture, nobody stops you from laughing because it makes or such picture looks very silly. Picture's appearance, its look, very well shows the character of that man, how it look like. So, with this information, I stop here and I will also send you the photocopy of this literary term caricature on the telegram link. You just go through this audio and also the same photocopy of this term caricature. With this, my dear friends, I stop the lecture number 28, and very soon we will meet in lecture number 29 on the next literary term. Thank you very much.